Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Add items to make a netherite pickaxe in the upgrade menu. Place one diamond pickaxe in the first box and one netherite ingot in the second box. This is the Minecraft crafting recipe for a netherite pickaxe. Once you have placed the items, the netherite pickaxe will appear in the result box.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Once you've got 4 Minecraft netherite ingots, you can make a start on crafting netherite armor. Netherite armor has +1 armor toughness and +1 knockback resistance compared to diamond armor, along with a considerably higher durability. One of the biggest bonuses to everything netherite is that it floats in lava too. The 14th of September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.